Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenuko Emeka Moses of the Omenuko Lifestyle channel. Today is day 31 of our beans farming experiment in dry season, and we want to check out what we have in the farm today, the garden apparently. It's the day 31 for the first set of beans and the 8th. Is it the 8th? The 8th of, yes, the 8th of the second set I planted. So like I said, we're only waiting once a day right now. Wow. Okay, let's see. The beans is not looking bad, but I don't understand this discoloration that is happening. What's happening? This thing is becoming too much too. Something is happening. I've sprayed this thing, but I don't know why that's still happening. I need to do something about these beans. Yeah, that's the second set of beans that was planted. Nothing much is happening in the garden today. I don't need to go through what's happening with the second set of beans we planted. It's still the same thing as what happened with the first set. It's just growing. The stems, the dicotyledons are fully expanded. The beans are still stuck on the stem. Anytime from now, the bean seeds will be dropping off the stem as it continues to grow. There is discoloration happening. Yeah, let me just go right now and get those fertilizers. I'll go get it right away, and if it's not dark, I'll apply it today. If it's not dark, I'll apply it today. But something is happening right here. Okay, so that'll be that for now. There's nothing much. If you're just visiting my channel for the first time, we've completed 30 days of monitoring beans planted in dry season. We have about 45 more days to go. Is it gonna make it? Will beans produce during the dry season? If this does, then we'll know we can plant all year round. So we're observing 31 days and we have 45 more days to go, 1 month and a half month to go. So I'm going to compile the video for the second 2 weeks. I've compiled the video for the first 2 weeks of the experiments. Now I'll do another video from day 16 to day 31st. Compile it together so it can be watched at a stretch. Then I'll also have another video the first month when you plant beans. What do you expect? Basibe. Thank you very much. Have a good day. God bless you.
You gotta stop and think. Maybe everybody go support that dream. To make your dreams come true today, you gotta work hard, smart and brave. Stop and think. Maybe everybody go support that dream. To make your dreams come true today, you gotta work hard, smart and brave.